Steps for making a simple sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that completes a thought or statement, asks a question, or expresses a command. Step 1. A sentence includes a subject and a predicate. The subject is a noun, and the predicate is typically a verb. Okay, let me examine my sentences. Wait, these are not complete. Something's missing. Step 2. A sentence starts with an uppercase letter. Uppercase letters are also called capital letters. Okay, I've got this. Let's take another look. Looking good, but something is still missing. Step 3. To make a sentence complete, you must end it with a period, question mark, or exclamation mark. Okay, so I need to add a period or question mark or exclamation mark. I'm ready to try this again. Okay, I started my sentence with a capital letter and ended with a punctuation. Wait, time out. What's this mess? Step 4. Don't forget to place a space between each word. If I were you, I would use a finger space to make sure that my words are not too close together. Okay, I included a subject and predicate. I started with a capital letter, added a finger space between each word, and ended with a punctuation. I followed all 4 rules. Am I ready yet? Okay, let's take a final look. Capital letter, finger space, punctuation. This is looking pretty good. Yes, I can finally write a simple sentence. Woohoo! Don't forget to hit subscribe to watch more educational videos like this. Thanks for watching.